As you can see by the terrain behind us, it's not easy country. Helicopter makes life really easy for the guys doing the job, and we can run 2 kilometres of conductor today, within an outage period, where if the guys were doing it by hand with winches, it would take a lot longer, and there's probably more risk to the staff that are working here today. I'm Richard Morris, I'm the Works Delivery Manager for Aurora Energy. Today we're at Conroys Road, where Delta are carrying out a reconductor of an 11 kV circuit that runs from Alex down towards Shingle Creek. So we're carrying out this job today because we're replacing the old copper conductor. It's gone through its lifespan, and we're replacing that due to the risk of it failing. We do have quite a lot of faults on this circuit, so we're replacing it with a new aluminium conductor, which will benefit the consumers at the end of the line with less outages. Initially this job was planned for 8 outages. We've got some extra crews in today, so we've nailed it down to 4, so there's less customer impact. Overall it's probably, 10 to 12 days work all up by the time the guys are prepped, had their outages, done their job, and we've got one more day tomorrow, and that should be it with a bit of a clean up. We've got heaps of work going on, replacing conductor, replacing poles, doing a lot of maintenance on old ring main units and replacement, so yeah, it's part of the program. We've got a lot of work to do both here and in Dunedin, so it's a benefit to the community at the end of the day. Where else would you want to work, mate? I've worked here for 30 years and I don't want to go anywhere else, and the background behind us, it's a good day, it's winter, but it's a good day for flying conductor.